Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off, shut down, or power off your iPhone 16 Pro Max in a few different ways. Now you can follow this step on any of the iPhone 16 lineup. So let's get started. Now first method, we're going to use the buttons. You're going to locate the volume up, which is directly right under the action button, and then the side button here. You're going to press and hold these two buttons for about a couple seconds simultaneously until a menu like this pop up, and then you can slide to power off or shut down. So that's going to be method number one. Now method number two, it's going to be in the phone setting. So you go into your setting, and then from there on, click on general, scroll all the way down where it says shutdown, and you click on that. It'll also go ahead and activate the same menu, and you can simply slide to power off, shut down your iPhone. Now another method is if you're using Siri under the settings, you have Siri turned on, either Hey Siri or using the side button to activate Siri. You can get Siri to actually power off or shut down or turn off your iPhone as well. Simply say a command just like this. Hey Siri, power off my iPhone. Yes. And then basically it will ask you a question if you want to power off your iPhone, and then it will go ahead and power off just like that. So those are a couple ways to turn off your iPhone. Now you might be wondering, how do I turn it back on? Well, there's two different methods you can use. First method is pressing and holding on to the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, and then once you see the Apple logo, let go of it. Now if that isn't working, another method is if your phone is already shut down, if you connect it to a charger, it will automatically force it to turn back on as well. So if you need to get it to turn on without the side button, or if for some reason that isn't working, just connect it to a charger, and that'll go ahead and turn your iPhone back on as well. So that's it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and for giveaways on our channel. We'll see you guys next time.